Welcome to Adacado's Quick Start videos. We've already covered the account setup process in our first video, so now we'll demonstrate how easy it is to create and launch your own custom static ads. In this video, we're going to go over 3 simple steps: how to create an advertiser, create a campaign, and create and launch our static ads. Let's get started by logging into our Adacado account. When logged into the Adacado system, you'll see the gray Advertiser menu in the top header. I can click on this to view all or add a new advertiser. We're going to set up a new winery called Alchemy Cellars and build some ads for them today. Just get rid of that space. I'm going to select retail as the business type because they're selling their wine, and the subcategory would be alcohol. And they are located at 123 Redwood Road in California, in the beautiful town of Napa. And the zip code. Excellent. We've created our advertiser, and now we're in the campaign dashboard, but we don't have any campaigns yet, so let's get started and click New Campaign in the top right corner. We're going to call this campaign the Alchemy Cellars Launch and hit Create. Now, as we go through the campaign editing or setup process, the creative editor page is always going to be our central location, and you'll find additional controls down in the bottom footer of the page. So to start off with, we're in the creative theme library, and there's a wide selection of custom themes that are available that I can choose and customize. And because we're building static ads, we're going to select a theme that has basic no feed in the description. I like the look of this Wizen one, so I'm going to select that one there. You'll see this gives me a pop-up as it's saving the theme into my campaign, and then it will put us into the creative editor page. Here we are. Now, when we first get into the creative editor page, you'll see that we have all of the placeholder assets of this theme, but of course we want to replace those with our own. So we can make this look like our own ad. In this case, Alchemy Cellars, so I'm going to upload my logo. There we go. For the image, I've got a much more applicable image with the wine. Those look good. I also want to make some adjustments to the messaging. So in the promo text, I want to say fine wines, free delivery. And for my call to action button, I want to use shop now. I don't need to worry about the URL because that's already been picked up from the URL that I set up when I first created the advertiser. So everything looks good with the ads, and I can click on the Save button over on the right-hand side. And now my creative is done. The next step is the campaign objective. So I'm going to look down on the footer and click on the campaign objective. And this defines what the ads are going to display. Now I'm using a simple static banner that I want to use to showcase my winery. So I'm going to click on Product Showcase and then select Done up in the corner. So that part's done. Now we just need to continue on in our process. Again, because we're doing a static ad, we do not need to worry about product data, so we can skip that section, but we will cover that in our next quick start video. Our final step here is the ad delivery. And this is where we define all the media settings of how many ads we're going to serve on a given day, and of course the cost and the budget. You'll see there are a number of controls that allow me to make adjustments as far as day of the week to serve the ads, the time of the day. I can make volume controls and how many ads I want to serve in a specific day. And you'll see that any adjustments are reflected here in the daily estimated cost and provide me with the weekly total. So I'm going to leave it on the default at 1,000 ads a day. And the only other change I'm going to put in here is that I want to run my ads only in the United States. So I'm going to select that and then click on Done. Excellent. So we've done the creative, we've set our objective, we've set up the ad delivery. All I need to do now is turn on the campaign, and you'll find that on the bottom left. Click on the on, and there we go. Our campaign is built and it's now turned on. At this point, the ads will go through an automated creative approval process, which could take up to 24 hours before they go live and start serving. However, at any time, you can always preview your ads with this shareable link, which you'll find in the preview button down in the footer. This opens up a new tab, and here we can see the live ads, which look fantastic. Okay, Congratulations, it's that simple. So log in today at adacado.com and get started on your own.